What's up mga kapotpot? Good evening. Good evening. Yeah. So, Mr. Kalakal po, once again, nakita nyo na naman ang pagmumukhang ito. Yes, sir. So, nakita nyo naman, nandito na naman ako sa sulok ko, kung saan gaganapin natin ulit ang ating Moto Kalakal episode 3. Kung saan, meron tayong unboxing moments with this type of Kalakal. First of all, before I start unboxing this box, syempre, unboxing eh. Stupido, Alex. Okay, so, I like to give credit and give a shout out to the people of Moto Nation. Moto Nation, their store is located in Novaliches. I'll post their Facebook page on the description down below. So shout out Team Moto Nation for my new LS2 helmet. Okay? So hindi ko na patagalin to para medyo quickie na tong video natin. So I have here with me a helmet from LS2 and ito ay dineliver nung grupo ng Moto Nation. Okay? So, ready na ba kayo makita ang ating new helmet for this week? Yes, sir. Here we go. Sure na? Okay. Charot lang. Dami ko na namang segue, no? So, what I have here is an LS2 Rapid. So, then, okay. So, as you can see, once you pull it off from the box, meron laging kasamang helmet card or what I call this, yung parang hindi katsa eh. Bakit hindi katsa ngayon ah? HJC katsa lang eh. Pero syempre, LS2, saan tayo nasanay? Alright, LS2 Rapid, it belongs to the entry level. Ito po yung mga entry level na model ng LS2. Okay? And yung kinuha natin is yung may graphics. Are you ready to see the graphics? In 3, 2, 1, parang. Okay. So, here with me is what? The LS2 Rapid Deadbolt. There you go. Deadbolt. So, it comes with a matte black finish. I mean, it's in matte finish with a little bit of accent ng gray or silver and metallic blue. So, hindi lang kita yung pagka-metallic niya or blue. Okay? So, ito yung mga kasabayan na model ng isang Deadbolt nung nirelease ng 2018, which is ito, the black red. So, what we got for 2019, is the blue and black colorway. Okay? So, ang kinuha ko na is yung XL. Why? Yung nakikita nyo sa background ko, mga large siya, mga yan. And, if suot ko na sila for more than an hour, medyo masakit na sa tenga. So, according to the guys at Moto Nation, I need a size bigger if ganun ang case. Kasi if you're uncomfortable while wearing the helmet for more than an hour, it means na that helmet is maliit sa iyo. So, make sure, guys, gaya nga sabi ko dun sa isa kong video, nung binibili natin to, make sure that before you buy a helmet online, you know your size. So, yun. Anyway, so back to the review of this LS2 Rapid Deadbolt. So, same ng 2018 na Rapid. Wala namang pinagkaiba sa ano niya, sa features niya. It has the same vents dito sa ibabaw. Same vents pa rin. Same vents sa may dito sa harap, chin guard. Yan, same pa din na merong dito curtain, chin curtain. And same pa rin na naka-quick release. Yan. Same pa rin na naka-quick release and same pa rin ng interior. Meron, and dyan pa rin signature niyang red and black accent na interior. Okay? So, if you buy the LS2 Rapid Deadbolt, ang kasama pa rin niya is yung clear lens. Though may options yung Moto Nation na you can upgrade it to a smoke visors. Yan. There you go. So, kita niyo yung loob, di ba? Ayan. So, same pa rin yung loob. Sporty pa rin yung dating niya. For me, this LS2 Rapid, or sa lineup ng LS2, itong model na to ang pinaka simple ang design. Walang komplikado. Straight to the point, ika nga. But still, it might be an entry-level helmet because of its price na $2,950. Pero, diba? Hindi naman siya mukhang putyo-putyo. Siyempre, galing Moto Nation. Shoutout Moto Nation. Salamat sa sponsor. Charot lang. Salamat sa discount. Okay? So, if you're watching this video pala, to all my viewers, if you will buy from Moto Nation and yun nga, subscriber kayo ni Mr. Kalakal, you'll get a special discount for their helmet. So, yun. Back to the item. So, meron siyang graphics na ganyan, no? Yung parang distorted na metal or ano man. So, yan. Bigyan ko na lang kayo ng quick round view of the helmet. So, yan. Nice ba? Sexy pa din, diba? It still has the sexy, rapid design. That's why, from my previous vlogs, I've always been a fan of LS2 Rapid. Fanboy ako ng LS2 Rapid. Sobrang simple and affordable. Okay? Sulit dito. Lalo na yung cushioning niya sa loob. For me, okay siya eh. Kaya yun. So, sige. Testing natin isuot. Tingnan natin kung popogi na si Mr. Kalakal. Pwede lang, lagi na lang naka-helmet para mukhang pogi. Again, hassle pag nakasalamin. You have to take it off muna ulit. Ayan. Ah. Ah. Ano? Ayos ba mga kapot-pot? Ano masasabi nyo? Imagine nyo na lang, nagmamotor tayo. Diba? Scooter. Big bike. Charot lang yung big. Anyway, so, ito siya. Still, yung ventilation niya, same as the 2018. Okay. Actually, this was released din talaga ng 2018. Pero, binenta lang siya locally dito sa Pilipinas. Itong colorway na to, nirelease lang siya sa Pilipinas this year. Pero yun, di ba? At least something new for the LS2 rapid lineup. Ayan siya. Live view. Back, ganun. Okay. Magmamagic lang tayo ng konti. Okay? Once I snap my finger, yung visors ko, gawin nating smoke. Tingnan natin kung bagay. Okay? In 3, 2, 1. Ano mga kapot-pot? So, see? This is how it looks like when you install a smoke visor in a LS2 Rapid Deadbolt. Black and blue colorway. So, I don't know if you can still hear me, guys, pero ayan, ano masasabi ninyo? Okay ba? Does it look good? Diba? Parang ang lakas diba? Yung feeling mo wala lang. Ang feeling mo pogi mo. Gupong-gupo sa sarili. Anyway, so what do you think, guys? Wait lang, nahihirapan ako eh. I'm gonna take this off muna. Nahihirapan ako kasi hindi pa ako fully nakasetup to. So, I replaced the visor yung original visor niya, I replace it with a smoke visor kasi most of the time, ang nagra-ride ako ng trick na trick ang araw. So, I need a smoke visor for at least protection din sa mata ko. Ganun. Okay? Now, I'm also gonna set this up. I'm gonna set up this helmet for another moto vlogging helmet. Moto vlogging helmet din. So, I'm gonna set this helmet kasi lalagyan ko rin siya ng... Okay? Lalagyan din natin siya mga kapot-pot ng... Telesin chin mount strap. Okay, so syempre, it's gonna take us long para pagka pinakita ko ulit sa video nito. And also, I'm gonna install what? The SJ6 external microphone. Okay? I'm gonna go back to the SJ6 setup since I mounted that SJ8 Pro dito sa helmet na to and it's giving me crappy audio. So I'm gonna go back to the SJ6 and I'm gonna use this. Ayoko na ng 3M. Mas safe ako dito. Okay? So, I'll show you the finished product in 3, 2, 1, snap. Here you go mga kapot-pot. I was also able to set up my chin mount na rin na telesin. So, I've been using telesin since I start moto vlogging. Since, yun nga, kailangan ko ng mounting na safe and secure. Yung hindi malalaglag yung camera. Medyo doubtful kasi ako sa 3M eh. Well, here you go. The LS2 Rapid Deadbolt with my SJ6 together with the Telesin chin mount strap. So, naka-strap siya palibot sa helmet. Yan nga lang, medyo mako-compromise na yung chin curtain mo. Pero it's all good. So, nandyan na rin naka-setup sa loob yung mic sa likod ng cheek pad sa may right part dito para pag nagsasalita, maganda yung audio. So, tomorrow, sakto, I'm gonna use this helmet and I'm gonna try if nakagaya ko ba yung setup ko with my first moto vlogging helmet. Okay? So, yeah. Ito siya. Okay. Give it a fit. Hirap pag nasa lamig. Alright, there you go. Yes ba? Tingin natin. Okay, so I'm trying to record through this camera and I'm gonna check if the audio is okay. But for the meantime, I do hope na enjoy nyo yung konting Kalakal experience natin, which is the unboxing of the LS2 Rapid and the installation of this chin mount by Telesin. Okay? So, yeah. Later, I'm gonna give you a montage or a quick round video with this helmet. Okay? So, that's all for now mga kapot-pot, and I hope to see you on my next vlog. Next nating unboxing. Anyway, so this is Mr. Kalakal. And again, this is Mr. Kalakal. And I'm signing off. Goodbye, good night, and goodbye. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you.